Certainly, carbon compounds can form a variety of structures including chains, branches, and rings. 1. Chains. Carbon atoms can bond to each other in a straight or branched chain, forming what's known as an alkane, alkene, or alkyne depending on the types of bonds. They form single, double, or triple bonds respectively. These chains can be short or long and can have various branches extending from them. 2. Branches. Branching occurs when carbon atoms form side chains or branches off the main carbon chain. This results in a more complex structure and can affect the chemical properties of the compound. 3. Rings. Carbon atoms can also form closed structures known as rings. These rings can be simple, like cycloalkanes, where all carbon atoms are connected in a ring with single bonds. Or they can be aromatic rings, like benzene, which contain delocalized electrons and exhibit special stability and reactivity properties. Each of these structural arrangements impacts the physical and chemical properties of the carbon compound, influencing its behavior and applications in various fields such as organic chemistry, biochemistry, and materials science.